What have you done to me? You caused this turbulence and wild velocity. Look inside yourself. Is there sympathy? I gave you everything, every piece for free. But you walked away and you left me there, a weakened mess. I was in despair. No one to hold, no one to care. You are fully liable. Now I'm unrecognizable. What have I become? The change that I went through because of all your actions. This change I can't undo. I'm decapitating and I've been torn in two. It is undeniable. I'm unrecognizable. My reflection's flawed and cracked. It's barely staring back. I'm in this hell alone. It's become my home. The scars that I once knew, you've made them feel like new. All you said was lies. All that's left of me is true. Look inside of me. Do you see the void? The emptiness you left. My soul's been destroyed. This conflict of emotions, the absence of my dreams. The spark can't be ignited. I'm the end without my means. What have I become? The change that I went through because of all your actions. This change I can't undo. I'm decapitating and I've been torn in two. You are fully liable. Now I'm unrecognizable. Was I some kind of game? Did you ever feel ashamed? Did I play my part with a knife inside my heart? Was I a passing moment? Did you ever truly see the light you stole and sabotaged? It means the end for me. What have I become? The change that I went through because of all your actions. This change I can't undo. I'm decapitated. I'm done because of you. You are fully liable. Now I'm unrecognizable. What have I become? The change that I went through because of all your actions. This change I can't undo. I'm decapitated. I'm done because of you. It is undeniable. I'm unrecognizable. I'm unrecognizable. I'm unrecognizable. You are fully liable. Now I'm unrecognizable. I'm unrecognizable.